Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. We are back in Brisbane and first things first, we are checking out an interactive installation of Monet in Paris. So basically it's Monet's art pieces and there's two other artists but I don't remember, and we're just gonna check it out and we'll show you guys what it's all about. From photos that I've seen, it looks really fun, and it's basically like, you know, an art piece brought to life, and you can kind of like, you know, touch it and stuff like that. I think you can touch it, but I'll let you guys know if that's correct or not. But it's only here for a limited time as far as I know. It's ending at the end of this month, August 2023, but I'm pretty sure it is going to come back next year because it has been quite popular. And quick outfit check, obviously Monet in Paris, so I thought I will wear a Parisian outfit. So we've got obviously the beret, and we've got like a bit of a striped top, added a little flower just to kind of work with the art pieces, and then just a gorgeous pleated skirt, which is always timeless, and my beautiful Pauline bag, which I recently got from Paris, so it matches, and obviously some typical loafers to match the hat. Oh, ooh la la! They've done a really good effort. Like, they've literally brought it to life and I'm loving it. I'm so here for it. So cool. So we're all done with Monet in Paris. It was actually quite the experience. I had such a good time. It looked so real. Like, I just loved how they brought the paintings into life. And then there was this one room that we basically just sat down and watched a whole bunch of the paintings and some of the sayings and statements and quotes from Monet. just absolutely stunning and beautiful. There was obviously other artists, and we'll show you guys some of the artists as well that are part of this collection, but I highly recommend to come and witness this, because I've never seen it anywhere else. And we came from Paris not long ago, and it definitely, and if you went to any of the museums, it's not like as interactive as this. It's just, you know, like obviously the real paintings on a wall, and that's about it. So definitely come and experience this. I also love that there's a cafe right outside in case you don't really want to go in, and also one inside. You can get wine, you can get, like, you know, Parisian food, so like pain au chocolat and croissant and, you know, vino and all that jazz. It's a lovely weekend sesh, if that makes sense. You know, you can come Saturday, Sunday. You can also come during the week, but I feel like it's just a little bit more buzzing during the weekend. I also love that you can pretend paint. I mean, it is pretense, but it's fun, it's cool. And I also really love how you can get like a self-portrait done by an AI Monet. But yeah, like, so if you've missed out for this year, keep your eyes peeled on next year, because I'm pretty sure they're going to bring this back. Watch the space. Alright guys, we have had a bit of a day. So we went to Monet in Paris, and that was really cool, very different to anything that we have seen before. And I like that it's actually pretty close also to the valley. And so after there, we went to the valley and we went to a cafe called Illusion by Number 5. It's also a bar, and they operate Monday to Friday, essentially different times and hours. But on the weekends, I know that there's like bottomless drinks and basically brunch packages where you can have, like, you know, food and drinks together, and it's just such a vibe. Food was amazing. The portions were actually really good. We ended up sharing only like one meal, and it was really satisfying. Prices are around 20s for the meals, but otherwise you can have like small snacks and stuff, and I think it'll be less than that. Also, we've got James Street for shopping if you want to go shopping afterwards. So it's just, you know, a couple of really cool things to do on the weekend, and it's fun, it's lovely, it's a different experience to come through. Anyway guys, that's all I've got for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and to all those that are subscribed, thank you, and I appreciate you very much. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video, and keep in mind we've got a whole bunch of travel vlogs and videos coming up, because we're going to Europe for that European summer. So definitely hit on that notification bell so that you're notified the moment we've got a video up. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Mwah.